Sawadee hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna cook oyster Kilpatrick and my first time cooking this. And here is the ingredient. You have oyster. This is the fresh oyster I got. I ordered from online, and I got smoked bacon. You're supposed to use that thick bacon, but in the village this is the best what I can find. And barbecue sauce. I'm excited to try this brand. And tomato sauce, Worcestershire sauce, Worcestershire sauce, and then lime for decoration. Maybe we need it, maybe we don't. All right, let's get started. First, I'm going to cook the bacon, chop the bacon into small pieces and cook it. Now we're gonna make the sauce. The bacon, I'm just gonna grab like a big piece like that, sorry, and then just chop it up. Look at this good knife. What do you call that big thick bacon, like in English? I think maybe we can go, maybe like if I go to the imported store, I can get that one. Turn the heat on. And now we'll be adding out the pork still alive, the bacon. Stirring them. Wow. The bacon smell. Oh, hungry. So excited. We're gonna prepare for making the sauce now. And normally you bake them in the oven, but I'm trying to do like the grilled and cover with the tin foil. We see how it works. Can I just like taste it? Bacon! One thing about me is I love soft bacon. Like when I go to the hotel, they have the crispy part and the soft one. And I always go for the soft one. Somehow, I think the soft one have more bacon. Because we have more fat and it's so big. Compared to the small one, the small one have like just a little. Always taste. Okay, not salty. There, got stuck. This side got stuck. And that's all the jackfruit. Jackfruit season now. And then in the back of me, there's a jackfruit too. It was too ripe to be eaten. We have forgot because this one was so up high. And the other day I told my auntie, like, I smell jackfruit. She's like, oh, we forgot. And she was like, oh, over ripe. So that's gonna belong to the bird. Okay, I think this is enough. I take it off. Did you know, like when you cook something, like you do deep fry like this? I think my grandma or my teacher, like I took cooking class, and then they teach me that when you deep fry stuff, don't turn the heat off. Like while you're cooking like this, just put like, take it out of the pan to the bowl, whatever it is that you deep fry, before you turn the heat off. Somehow you turn the heat off, it's like the meat absorbs the oil, hold more oil. All right, before we're making the sauce, let's start the fire. Turn it off. Now let's make the sauce. A lot of barbecue sauce, a little bit of tomatoes and Worcestershire sauce. Oh man, barbecue sauce is supposed to be sweet, right? Let me try this one first. Not that sweet. Ooh, peppery. 2, 3, 4, 6. I think this is enough. Then ketchup. Some ASMR over there. My dog got some bone. 1. And I will give it a taste first. Okay. 2 tablespoons. 2 tablespoons. Do you need to shake the bottle? It looks like you need to. All right. Add a little bit first. See how. It's doing. I just add like a half tablespoon. Add more, like a tablespoon. Yeah, all right. Because we're gonna get the saltiness from this one. We're gonna add out. We need to have a little bit of water. I'm gonna put the water out. Put our oyster in here. All right, we're gonna wrap this one on top. I try to make you guys to listen to the oyster cooking. The smell over here is like seafood. It's amazing. I'm gonna open it up. Okay, add the sauce. Oh, the juice coming out. Okay, let's add the sauce. Oh, that's too much, I think. Just gonna add a little bit. Let me try one thing. We went to Oyster Bar and I believe I saw a guy did this. He caramelized his oyster. The shell's just bouncing at me. Okay, I'm going to cover it just for a quick minute, and then it's ready to be eaten. All right, ready? Let's do this. Yeah. I'm so happy. No spot to put. Now that's what you call Kilpatrick. Are you ready for the test? Look at that. I'm going to taste just a little one. Okay, not hot. So how do you eat this? Just slurp it in or bite like meat? Like how?
From the other end.
From the other end? Wow. It's like sweet, seafoody, but also meaty. Like it's a salty from the seafood taste from the oyster, and then the sweet of the sauce. Yum. I like this one, but I think I wanna put more Worcestershire sauce for more like that hint. Alright, you guys. If you enjoyed this Kilpatrick video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And until next time, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.